Good morning, Bee. It's a beautiful day here in New Zealand and we're on the road heading to Auckland. It's the country's most populous and most visited city, and after all that New Zealand's small town charm and amazing natural sights, we're craving for some big city energy. Maybe we're missing Toronto, but Auckland looks ready to deliver. Driving into the city, we get our first glimpse of the skyline. The moment Auckland's Sky Tower pierces into view, it reminds me of that first time you spot Toronto's CN Tower from the highway. It has that same larger-than-life feeling, an instant wow moment that tells you you're officially in the city. Once we arrived, we took some time to wander and see what New Zealand's biggest city has in store. The streets were buzzing, the food scene looked amazing, and the whole place felt full of life. We had a couple of activities planned for today, so exploring the city will have to wait. Good thing we're heading straight to Auckland's most recognizable landmark. We made our way over to the Sky Tower, and just a few steps away, inside the SkyCity entertainment complex, you'll find the Wētā Workshop. Wētā Workshop Unleashed is a hands-on immersive movie-making experience. It's a walkthrough attraction filled with practical effects, props, and behind-the-scenes magic from fantasy, sci-fi, and horror films. The best part? You get to interact with all the creations and see how all the movie artistry comes to life.
So hands up here if you've heard of Wētā Workshop. You heard of us before? Okay, a few of us. So Wētā Workshop, we are a big movie studio, established when we first started in the year 1987. So hands up here if you have seen Lord of the Rings. What about, anyone here seen The Hobbit? Yeah. What about Star Wars? Do the Marvel films? Yes, so we work behind the scenes for all those films. We do props, we do costumes, special effects, etc. Now my job here at Weta Workshop Unleashed, and my most personal thing here, I have the coolest job out of everyone here. I am the janitor. And I clean, that's about it. So that being said, because I am the janitor here, we're taking you all through my secret entrance into our workshop, which is via the coolest selling room in the entire tour. The storage room. Wow. Take you all through the storage room. Hello, next lovely pen, come on through. Like an gimbal as well, I like it. Very high tech.
It feels like stepping behind the curtain for a brief moment, just enough to glimpse the magic of movie making. A rare look at how creativity and innovation bring imagination to life. The tour walks us through how movies are made, from concept art to creatures, props, and behind-the-scenes effects. Since most of the real films they've worked on are protected by copyright, Wētā Workshop Unleashed built 3 original worlds or imaginary projects just for this experience. A creepy horror set, an epic fantasy realm, and a full sci-fi adventure. Each one is incredibly detailed, and it actually feels like you're stepping right onto an actual movie set.
G'day everyone, welcome, come a bit closer. Hey Jeff, move out of the way. Oi, Jeff, move!
Animatronic from Hamilton.
Jeff thinks he's quite the comedian.
That was our lovely head of security named Jeff.
As we take our first steps toward the opening set, the air shifts. A dark, foreboding realm emerges. The horror set gives us a chilling glimpse into how Weta brings nightmares into life, with practical effects, gruesome details, and terrifying creativity.
Oh my god, what is
Yeah, push through.
Good?
That's fun.
After surviving the gauntlet, we're whisked straight into a world of fantasy. From fairy tales to epic adventures, the world of fantasy is filled with towering castles, enchanted forests, swords, and mythical beasts surround us. It feels like you're stepping into the pages of a story where adventure is around every corner. a place where imagination takes you beyond the ordinary and plunges you into an epic tale. It's a rare chance to feel the courage of heroes and the excitement of battle. You can easily get lost in the adventure. After our adventure, we are beamed into science fiction. Sleek metal corridors, blinking consoles and alien artifacts, advanced tech stretch out in every direction. It feels like we've jumped galaxies, where robots, alien life and futuristic machines blend realism and imagination to make the impossible feel real.
Oh, well, looks like everyone's getting back to work. Nap time's over, Jeff, me old mate. What's that annoying monster that's been loose in the workshop? Oh, you! I'm security. Now you can't be back here, mate. Now get the hell out of here. And shut up!
Or you can just say that the janitor gave me a pretty sweet tour, he deserves a pay rise, and he's single and looking for love. With that being said, we're going to get back to cleaning all the bathrooms around here. It's been an absolute pleasure. My name is Case. Thank you all very much.
Thank you.
If you love movies, special effects, or just want something fun and immersive, Wētā Workshop Unleashed in Auckland is a must-visit place. It's creative, hands-on, and honestly unlike anything else. Now, a trip to Auckland wouldn't be complete without heading up to the famous Sky Tower. Standing 328 meters tall, it is the tallest freestanding structure in the southern hemisphere. It's an observation tower, a landmark, and honestly one of the best ways to see Auckland from above. And as we ride up the elevator, the city starts to unfold. In just a few seconds, we're rising above the buildings and heading straight into one of the best views in New Zealand. It's almost like watching Auckland zoom out in real time. Up here, Auckland stretches out in every direction. The harbour, the islands, the skyline. Everything looks unreal from up here. The city feels huge but peaceful at the same time. We then moved up to the sky deck. Just as night settled in, the whole place changes. The city lights switch on one by one until Auckland turns into this glowing map beneath our feet.
Welcome to Sky Tower, New Zealand. Sky Tower, Auckland, New Zealand.
It's calm, beautiful, and for a moment time seemingly stops, and just like that, it's time to head back.
That was nice.
Yeah, that was nice. Another tower.
Another tower. Let's go.
I couldn't help comparing Auckland to Toronto because of the Sky Tower. I thought it would feel like a smaller Toronto, but it's not. It's calmer, more relaxed, laid back, and somehow feels warm even in the middle of winter. And honestly, I kinda like that. So that wraps up our day in Auckland. From movie magic at the Wētā Workshop to watching the city light up from the Sky Tower. It's a place that surprises you in the best ways, and even though it feels completely different from home, there's something comforting about it. Calm, welcoming, and easy to like. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And as always, we'll see you on the next trip. Happy travels.